We're here this morning with Lisa Bond from Baker Braverman and Barbadoro, a law firm located in Quincy. Lisa is an attorney with Baker Braverman and Barbadoro, specializing in family law, divorce, and litigation. Good morning, Lisa. Thank you for being with us today.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
I really appreciate your time. As you know, a lot of times when women are getting ready to go through a divorce process, it's very painful and they have a lot of questions. What are some things that a woman should ask when she's in that position?
Well, I think the first thing you need to think about is, inherent in every divorce is you're taking one household and dividing it into two. So it's important to, for a woman in particular, to know what she's going to do in the coming years to support herself and to make sure that she can be self-sufficient. And there are many different options for that depending on each individual's circumstances. So I think that's a very important first question to ask. Another question to be concerned about or to ask about is the preservation of the marital assets. Of course, there may be some assets that the wife brought into the marriage that could be segregated. There are some assets, most assets will have to be divided between the two of them, and it all depends on how long they've been married. But it's certainly important for her to know what she can do to maintain those assets and take care of herself. If there are children involved, particularly if they're college age, it's important to know how, if at all, college expenses or tuition may impact any support that she could be seeking in the future or at that time. And also, it's important to come up with a strategy, to sit down and listen to her circumstances and hear about her situation, and to come up with a plan for how best to move forward in the most, unobtrusive way possible. From there. So I think those are the most important things to consider.